service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern.
Jace! Get a warning! Get a warning! Severe thunderstorm warning!
Southeastern till 8:15 p.m.
Well, be quiet!
At 7:29 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Clayton
Warning.
for 8 miles east of Clarkston, at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, settings, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bridgewater and Emory around 7:35 p.m. Dalton around 7:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Sioux Falls. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in South Dakota: McCook, Turner, Henson, and Hutchinson. Operate on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz. This is no weather radio station.
You can't turn it off for some reason.
I want warning.
Severe thunderstorm warning.